Hi everyone, this is Sandeep and you starting to watch. To me, I hope you are well and you're doing well. My dear friends, I don't know that. What are you doing in this days? But you must try to work at yourself. If you want to gain well, if you want to reach a responsible person, if you want to gain a responsible person, what we are saying here, I don't know that. But some word who I am speaking also I don't know that. That meaning is find something different who we want to see, but we are saying something because we are improving of myself. I think that my dear friends, if we want to improve, we have to do practice, and when we do practice I will do mistake. If we think I am doing mistake, what people would think, they nothing think about you, only they think about you, they wouldn't think about him. I know that. I think that when someone is doing something, people against stand with him. Why? Because they know that he's doing something different with me. He's different. So my dear friends, if you are starting at your home, your family member would opposite with to you. They would stand against to you. I think you, if you have considered, so I think that uh, more uh, more people and more family will support of his children who is doing, but everyone is not. I think that I am not saying about my family, but they saying do anything but focus at your purpose who you want to do. So it's my part time who we are improving of myself, but I think that who we are doing, he would not go waste in my life. I think that if we will make well myself, I think that any workplace I will live, I will express of my thoughts between of people who is listen to me. So I think that what you think about myself and what you want to keep your thoughts, you can keep your thoughts in my comment section. I hope you can do well and you can learn well in your life. My dear friends, I think that um, if you would see village people, what become, they have not more confident to speak, to do, but they have lot of courage to doing anything. I think that they you can say they are not well everything, but they are doing, they something is being as they are well, they make well. So you would see in the city people have considered, they have joined many institute, they have joined many uh, practice classes, they're doing, they make well, they make groom of his body, of his work. I think that we are watching. So I think that we are watching in 5G. We are living in 5G, and we when we watch, we learn of people. I think that if you want to do, you have to focus and you must try to watch of people and do practice, do learn. You must keep sense of the learning, and after it your mind will be open, sense of the earning. Before, you have to keep sense of the learning if you want to make well, if you want to go well, if you want to learn well, and if you want to achieve well in your life, you must try to focus and focus. So I hope you will do well. If you are watching to me, my dear friends, you can keep your thoughts, you can keep your ideology in the comment section, how we are keeping in my thoughts, how we are getting speak something. I know that it is my poor communication skill, but I think we can do, I think that we can do some improvement in myself if we decide something, we have to do it.
चाचा
क्या है?
आज से ही
ठीक है.
हम करें
It is mine. या मेरा है ना? No, no. I think.
पहली बार
So we are stopping my talk, my dear friends, because I have not word to share what we would say. After some time, I would remember what we have to keep, what we have to spoke. I will learn and I will tell to you. So if you are watching to me, you can watch and you can join with me officially Sandeep at my YouTube channel. So we are learning and we are trying to keep up my thoughts, who we are thinking about myself, who we want to do in my life. I hope you can do well and you can learn well, my dear friends. So we must try to learn to speak how we have to keep up my talk, how we can make well, how we can increase of my confidence level. If we are watching and if we being in crowd, we must not hesitate and we must keep openly of my thoughts anywhere place. So I think that फिर धो लिया. I think that we must try to learn, and if we want to reach well, if we want to gain well in my life. So I hope you can do well and you can learn. So thank you for watching this video. If you are watching first time, you can join with me. So thank you. Jai Hind.